Let us read to you the names of those who have been killed and experienced. Others have been killed by using different weapons.
Kandi abarishwe
brutally murdered in Liverpool.
bamwe muri abarishwe batawe umuriro.
Some among them who have been killed being buried in the fire.
Abandi barahambirirwa babajyanira Tanganyika batatu.
Others have been lowered and then being buried in the Tanganyika.
Abandi bicishwa intwaro zitandukanye.
Others have been killed by using different weapons.
Kandi abarishwe bakazerera ihari.
And these, all of them have been killed by the government which was there before.
Interahamwe abaturage batuyeho babana.
Those different communities used to live together.
Reka rero tubasubize amazina.
So let us read to you the names.
Famille Bipamba, Bipamba, Amoresa, Ndamu wiwe, Nyabineza Rusabirwa, Karimbi Rusabirwa, Nyamanyamba Rusabirwa, Nyanziza Rusabirwa. Famille Ndagano, hapfuye Ndagano Hosea, Naomi, Madame wiwe, na Serabyeyi Ndagano, Nyamatungo Ndagano, Bebe Serabyeyi. Famille Nuru hapfuye Nuru Ndagano, Henry Ndagano, Mutoni Ndagano, Zisabwa. Famille barimo bavuye muri Pamba, Ngeresha Bipamba, Ema Nyamaranga. Famille Kazeze Zoni hapfuye Kazeze Zoni, Elsa Madame wiwe, Mirika Kazeze, Nyandema Kazeze, Nyafura Kazeze, Nurusa Kazeze, Bukuru Kazeze, Dutoro Kazeze. Famille Rora hapfuye Rora Bonero na Nyandwi Rora. Papa Simon Yabo, Famille Rura, Famille Rura, na Rura Famille Kaya Inasi, hapfuye Kaya Inasi na Kishoro Kaya. Famille Zia Mtima hapfuye Zia Mtima. Famille Ruratunza hapfuye Ruratunza Samsoni. Famille Sambamo Ruratunza. Famille Ismaila hapfuye Ismaila Mwizi, Musa Mwizi. Famille Rusingizwa hapfuye Betera Rusingizwa na Mubiri Rusingizwa. Famille Nyakazi Ipandaro hapfuye Nyakazi Ipandaro. Famille Ndavugirwa hapfuye Ndavugirwa Yakobo. Famille Tegekuyona hapfuye Tegekuyona. Famille Yalogikisa hapfuye Madame wiwe Famille Mukiza, Nyamukiza, Nyanzamukiza, Toto Mukiza. Famille Misigaro Hekima hapfuye Misigaro Hekima, Nyakumi Madame wiwe Bigabiro Misigaro, Gakumi Madame Bigabiro, Septere Misigaro, Nyanzama Misigaro, Toja Misigaro. Famille Rurwa hapfuye Rurwabo, Rutebuka Rurwa. Famille Sadoki Ngurube yapfuye Sadoki Ngurube, Sabiyumva Sadoki, Nyamuke Sadoki. Famille Kafano yapfuye Kafano Bipanga, Kajongera Kafano. Famille Alisi yapfuye Alisi, n'umwana we abashimira izina rye. Famille Amosi Kibebe yapfuye Amosi Kibebe, Kenya madame we Amos, Gatoni Amos, Nyarurwa Amos, Nyangaju Amos, Nyangurwa Amos, Nyamuneka Amos, Nibizi Amos, Nyarurwa. Famille Mathias havuyemo Mathias Tabora, famille Tabora havuyemo Tabora Filemon na madamu wiwe Emiliana Ndoto. Famille Kasavubu havuyemo Kasavubu Mtandaro. Famille Petro Mutuzo havuyemo Mutuzo Petro. Abana b'Abanyagihugu baguye ahantu hatandukanye, abantu bagera kuri 70. Ikabagezeho Magaja havuye Muharaba Joseph, Birorero Anania, Nzigama Simeon, Reverend Handa Prosper, Rukundwa Christophe, Matibike Pascal, Pastor Nyamahoro, Nari Mutoni Elias, Gasarasi, Rutebuka Muharaba, Gabriel Kishino, Gilbert, Zirindiro Zigama, Ndamumbi Pascal, Musimu Pascal, Mareka. Abanabo abagera ku 13 bakoze
refuge where they have been provided refuge with Burundi government.
UN yari bafite mu nshingano.
The UNHCR, those who are seems to be in charge of them.
Leta ya Kongo irahari nka nyiri baturage.
The government of DRC Congo as the leaders in charge.
Kugeza kuri uyu munsi nta butabera buraboneka ku baturage bacu.
Up to now there is no yet justice to those who have been killed.
Nk'umunyamategeko mutekereza yuko ari iyihe mpamvu ubutabera bwabo butaraboneka mu gihe nyuma y'ubwicanyi hari abiyemereye bonyine bigamba yuko bari mu bakoze ubwo bwicanyi, barimo uwitwa Pasteur Habimana wari umuvugizi wa FNL na Gatorwa.
So I ask you as a lawyer, what this which is happening even after the killing, that those who are boastful that they are the one in accepting that they are the one who did it, the participators who participated in the killing of the massacre in Gatumba, among them there are Agatorwasa, among them, they are there accepting that they are the one who participated in the killing of our own people, and yet there's nothing is happening.
Turaza kwakira abandi bantu nk'ababiri cyangwa batatu bari bubaze hanyuma umutima baze gusubiza cyane.
So we are going to welcome other one or two people asking questions to you, then you answer it.
Yes.
Welcome, Doctor.
Asante kwa mnenaji wetu. Asante kwa mnenaji wetu. Ninaitwa Dr. Benjamin. Ni mojawapo wa marefugee hapa Kenya. Swali langu ni kama vile lake, lakini nitaendelea kidogo. Yeye ameuliza kuhusu mauaji ya Gatumba, lakini mimi nitajaribu kuendelea kidogo kuhusu mauaji ya East Africa Community. Katika karibu kila nchi ya Afrika Mashariki au Afrika Central kuna mauaji ya aina hii. inaweza kuwa si open kama hii ya Rwanda, lakini kila nchi hapa, hata Kenya hapa, Afrika nyingine kama East Africa, Uganda, South Sudan, tunasikia kila wakati kuna mauaji. Na huku kwa upande mwingine kuna mahakama ya Afrika, na hii mahakama ya Afrika tunasikia kwamba inatenda kazi kila wakati, na kuna ukweli, maloya walijifunza vizuri mpaka leo. Kitu gani kinafanya mahakama hii isitende kazi?
Kwanza kabisa mimi na wengine tunahusika toka katika mataifa mbalimbali. Tayari tumeunda jopo ya kushughulikia mambo kama haya, na hivi karibuni tuliwasilisha kesi hapa Kenya ili kujaribu kama mahakama inaweza kusaidia. Kuna jamaa mmoja ambaye alishikwa hapa Kenya kutoka Nigeria, anaitwa Nnamdi Kanu. Tuliwasilisha kesi hiyo na tumepata uamuzi, na serikali ya Kenya ikapatwa na hatia, na mteja wetu amepewa milioni 10 za Kenya. Ilikuwa ni katika harakati za kujaribu kama mahakama ya nyumbani yanaweza kufanya hiyo, kitu ambacho Waingereza